Your first question. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, helium. Your correct option is nitrogen. Your second question. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 50 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 200 degrees Celsius. Your correct option is C. 100 degrees Celsius. Your third question. What organ pumps blood through our body? Brain, liver, heart, kidney. Your correct option is C. Heart. Your fourth question. What is the study of weather called? Geology, astronomy, meteorology, biology. Your correct option is meteorology. Your fifth question. What is the hardest natural substance on earth? Gold, diamond, iron, silver. Your correct option is B. Diamond.